on how you can do your purchases on crypto.com app. So I'm assuming you have downloaded your crypto.com app and get everything set. What you are seeing right now is the home page, of which you can also call the landing page. And before we proceed, whatever thing you do here, you are doing it on your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to guide you through on how you can do your purchases easily on crypto.com app platform. When you look at this screen, you'll see buy, sell, deposit, pay. Then how I do is I do go to this top gainers, top losers, new crypto, most traded. As you can see them lining up on these 4 tabs. I would like to click on top losers to see which currency is in downtrending. That is the top losers. When you click it, you see all the cryptocurrency that are just going down in price, and probably it's the time for me to buy whichever one I would like to buy. Or if it is your first time, if you are just a beginner, this is how to choose a crypto. Let's take, for instance, clicking on REN. Things to look at. You look at the market data. You see the market cap, the 24-hour volume, and the ranking. These are things to consider before making your choice of buying. In this case, this REN is having negative 16.50%, which means it may probably be the right time to buy it. And you can see how the movement have been in 3 months. In 3 months, it has been in uptrending, while in this 1 week, it is still in uptrending. Day, it is in downtrending day. And if you would like to see all the movement of the crypto, you click at the written tab all, so you can see all the candlestick movement it has made. Therefore, from my own point of view, I would say that this crypto will someday rise up again to this level. As you can see it here and here. Someday it will probably hit this point once again. But now it is down at 0.05808. So let's see if we can buy this crypto and the process you can use. Now you will go back, click back, which is the arrow at left, go to account, click the accounts button, click crypto wallet. Crypto wallet. You see, this is the crypto wallet page. As you can see, we are having buy with the plus sign button, sell with the minus sign button, then pay, transfer, and so on and so forth. But what we would like to buy here is the rent, of which we have seen the position at this home page. Remember, it was this home page we came to see all the crypto we are having here and their positions and their prices for the day. So you go back to this account now, go to this crypto wallet. Remember how we came, click this search bar, then you can write REN because that was the crypto we saw and we want to buy. Click on the REN. It will bring you to this page, and unfortunately here REN has no purchasing points yet. So, and this can happen to new cryptocurrencies that are newly published. When the development is still in progress, you can encounter such thing. So let's quickly go and choose another one. Let's look for, let's say, Velo. Click on Velo. Just to experiment, you can make any cryptocurrency of your choice. You can just choose any one of you would like to buy. Okay, here on Velo, it seems like we can purchase Velo. Let's see why REN couldn't offer us the possibility to purchase. Okay, it is not yet possible to buy REN. All right, let's go to Velo. Going back to Velo, you can see Velo shows buying button. You can click on this buy Velo. It will bring you to this buy Velo page. Here is just the purchasing page. You can just move here to write how many units of Velo you would like to buy. Let's take for instance 600 Velo. If you would like to buy 600 Velo, you select it, or 6,000 Velo, just type it there. Then look at this now. Buying it with Google Pay is possible. Buying it also with credit card is as well possible. So if you would like to buy it with credit card, just select the credit card. You see it will tick this blue. When it ticks blue, you can now click buy. It will bring you to this page, and if you click confirm, you will buy your crypto automatically. Same way for price update have changed, because you need to do it quickly, because you know cryptocurrency is so volatile, the price can change at any moment. So when you go back now, if you choose to buy with Google Pay, you can go to Google Pay, click buy Velo. Card fee is required to cover additional processing costs. So if you click, I understand that a 2.99% fee is required for every card purchase. If you click it, you understand, then just click continue. It will bring you to this page, but make sure you have money in your Google Pay. Then click confirm and your purchase will just take place. And